Pete. Hi guys. I'm gonna read a book to you. It's called The Pizza That Pete Made. The Pizza That Pete Made.
Come closer and talk louder.
This is the pizza that Pete made. This is the
sauce.
This is the sauce that went on the pizza that Pete made. This is the cheese that went on. The pizza that Pete made. The pizza that Pete made. Thanks, Pete.
Yay! Take a bow.
Mm.